Okay, student, um, we are talking about today about numbers. Numbers are classified into two, and real numbers, and imaginary numbers. Okay, first thing, let's talk about imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers are numbers which is the uh, square root of negative numbers. Let's say example, square root of 4 is 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. So we can rewrite this thing. 4 times square root of 1. We can get the square root of 4 could be 2, but it's difficult to get negative 1 to get them out of square. So we can call this is I, imaginary unit. So 2 times I, this is a product, this is the answer for negative 4 under square root. This is imaginary numbers. Alright, so let's go back to real number. Real numbers. We have different real numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers represented by Q, rational numbers, and irrational number represented by I, irrational numbers. Before we talk about them, let's talk about natural number. Number. Natural number is a counting number. Number. Numbers. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep going. Next thing we want to talk about whole numbers. Whole numbers start with 0 and contain all the natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and go. The third one we're going to talk about integers. Integers is the whole number, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, and the other side is the counter whole number, which is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, just like that. So we can talk about natural number. Natural number is found in whole number. Whole number is found in integers number. But a whole integer number, it cannot be found in a whole number because the whole number cannot contain the negative numbers. The whole number can contain natural number. But natural numbers cannot contain the whole numbers because whole numbers it contains zero. The number 4 we want to talk to about rational number. Rational number Q. Rational number Q is the ratio of A over B. A is integer. B can be integer also. But B cannot be equal to 0. If we use B 0, the rational number be undefined. So rational number can be decimal number, can be a percent, can be any ratios, okay. So rational numbers can be like 2.5. 2.5 is equal to 25 over 10. 25 is an integer. 10 is an integer. So this number is a rational number. Okay, another example. Let's take 4. 4 can be 4 divided by 1. 4 divided by 1 is 4. So 4 can be an integer. 1 is an integer. So this number can be qualified to be rational number. Let's say negative 2.4. 2.4 can be negative 24 over 10. Negative 24 is an integer. And 10 is also an integer. 10 is different from 0. So this is rational number. Let's go to, so rational number Q can contain integer, integer contain whole number, whole numbers can contain natural numbers. The next number we talk about irrational numbers. Rational numbers is different from rational number. Irrational numbers is any number like pi, a square root of 2, a square root of 3. Their decimal point cannot be repeated, or cannot be end. Let's say the square root of the pi is 3.14, such number cannot be end, will not stop. So pi is a rational number. So real numbers is a combination of rational number and irrational number. So there is another number we can talk about if we have time. That's a complex number. Complex number is can be referred a plus bi. A is real number. A is real number. A is real number. B is also real number. Real number. But I is imaginary unit. Thank you, guys. I guess we don't have time for today. We'll come back for the next
video.